Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I sincerely hope and pray that you and your families are doing fine. You all are doing okay. So currently it is almost 6:15 in the morning, which means that I have woken up very early, at least for me. I have woken up so early, that means it is something really special and there is some agenda to do today. So today is going to be a very interesting vlog, and if I say interesting, trust me, it is interesting. It is something that I am doing out of my comfort zone after a really long time, and the complete credit for this goes to Kunal. And two special things for today's vlog is that firstly, I am super nervous, and secondly, I'm super duper excited and very happy. Both the reasons I'm going to explain you in a bit, but for now I'm going to finish my cup of chai quickly, get ready, and then once I'm sitting in the car, I'm going to give you the complete update about today. So I'm going to catch you in a bit. So I'm back. As I told you that I'm going to give you the update once I sit in the car. We are already in the car and I'm super excited because we are going on a road trip. It's actually a small vacation that we are going for. We are going for a small vacation, but where we are going, I'm going to show you in a bit. Where we are going to, somewhere very close by to Bombay. And the reason I told you that I am so nervous for this trip is because you all know that I'm so paranoid about this COVID, and this is the first time since the pandemic has started I've finally gathered the courage to get going and get out of the house. And the reason why I'm super excited and happy is because my mum has joined Kunal and me, and I think in a really long time she almost never gets out. So in years and years she's finally decided to come out with us. She's sitting here with me, and Mummy, hi bolo. Hi. Okay, she's sitting here with me, and she's super excited as well, and I'm feeling so happy about it. But the entire credit for this trip goes to only this man over here, Mr. Kunal Bakshi. So he planned this trip, and he actually encouraged us to get going. So we were going back and forth, and the trip got cancelled twice because of my own inhibitions. I was too scared to go out, but Kunal really did the needful. He made us comfortable, and he also convinced my mom. So I'm so happy, and I'm so excited. This trip was actually supposed to happen during my birthday week. Then it was supposed to happen on my birthday, during my birthday, and finally that also got cancelled, and we are finally going for it. So the entire credit of this trip goes to Kunal. I'm so happy and so excited and so looking forward. So now we are already on the road. It's been about 3 hours. We are going to stop to have a quick breakfast maybe, and then we'll keep going. And once I reach the destination, I'm going to show you where we are going, just to build up a little bit of a suspense. And now I'm going to enjoy the road trip and catch you in a bit. So this is a little room tour. On beginning we have a nice bathroom on the right hand side, nice wash basin, bathing area. Kunal, I can see him there. A little space to keep our luggage, tea, coffee, a little wardrobe, mirror, that's me, that's our bed, and that is my mom. Mummy, kaisa laga room? Chalo. That's a little study table, a TV, and the best part is the view. So I'm sure आप लोगों ने अभी तक guess कर लिया होगा that we are in Mahabaleshwar, and this is our second time here in the same property. Of course, the first time we came here to stay. It was much before COVID, and now we've come here for the second time. इससे पहले 2 साल पहले हम इस property पे आए थे. We really had an awesome time over here. The hospitality is awesome, the place is hygienic, and it's just got its own vibe. It's so peaceful. Right now, because of the COVID situation, a lot of amenities have been shut down. They won't be allowing us to use the pool, but naturally also all the sports activities won't be there. Then they used to have a magic show in the banquet. I don't think the magic show also is going to be happening now, of course, because of the COVID. But anyways, we've just landed here. We are going to relax for a bit, have a lunch, and then we are going to see if any of the activities are on in the resort. And the most important thing is that I just wanted to give my mom a breather. I just want her to have a good time. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to quickly show you all that the last time Kunal and I came here, that was of course pre-COVID. That was our room. This is 1, 2, 3, the third balcony from here, and of course it was such a peaceful time that we had over here. The evenings are awesome over here. It's really peaceful. So now we'll just go in, I'll see what these guys are up to, and then I'll catch you in a bit. We've come to the restaurant, which is in the property itself, taken a nice side table by the garden, and going to be enjoying a late lunch. Update you after this. So this is their sports activity area, और यहाँ पे होती है mountain climbing or wall climbing. जब भी they are just renovating it. Some rooms on this side, and this is called the Jungle Machan. Total jungle feeling. ये यहाँ पे bicycles है. The cycles parked here. अगर आपका दिल करे to just go cycling inside the property, you can get in touch with the hotel staff and they'll help you with a bicycle. यहाँ पे है मम्मी एंड कुणाल. दिस इज़ द जंगल मचान, द जंगल स्पोर्ट्स, द जंगल हट, एंड यहाँ पे देर आर ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज़. ये बच्चों के लिए स्लाइड्स हैं यहाँ पे. सो द प्रॉपर्टी इज़ रियली गुड. मेरे पीछे झूले हैं फॉर किड्स इफ़ दे वांट टू स्विंग. फिर एक टायर वाला झूला है. आपने स्लाइड्स तो देख ही ली है. एंड देन ये जो है दिस इज़ अ फन झूला. ये पूरा रॉक करता है. बहुत सारे लोग साथ में बैठ सकते हैं. आई रिमेंबर जब हम लास्ट टाइम आए थे, मैंने इसमें बहुत झूला था. एंड देन वहाँ पे भी बच्चों की स्लाइड्स है राइट देयर. एंड उस तरफ और भी स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ है. देयर आर सम जंगल थीम स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ देयर. एंड मेरे पीछे यहाँ पे ये ब्रिज बना हुआ है. आपको अपने आप को बैलेंस करते हुए एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ तक जाना है. Last time जब कुणाल और मैं आए थे, कुणाल really had a great time on this bridge. So this is really a nice property. It is really one of my favorites. और जो मुझे इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में अच्छा लगता है वो है कि इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग पीपल अराउंड, एज एन इवन इफ देयर इज़ फुल ऑक्यूपेंसी, you have your space, you have your privacy, you still find your peace and calm, because that's exactly what we come for. So finally we have come out in the open area, that is at the pool side, the garden side. It's so beautiful, it's so peaceful, and the weather is so nice. Thandi thandi hawa chal rahi hai. There's a little bit of sunlight coming in and out, and the sun rays is feeling so good, so peaceful and so calm over here. It's literally feeling like freedom, mental freedom, physical freedom, at least for me. And what I didn't realize is that उस jungle area में I was pretty much alone, and still I had that mask on because of me being so paranoid. But I'm learning to relax a little bit. So anyways, मेरे पीछे you can see is this huge ass pool. I remember the last time when we came pre-COVID, Kunal and I really had so much of fun. They have a lot of activities over here. They have that huge ball, and you know आप उस ball में जा सकते हो. They place the ball on the water and it doesn't sink, and you know you can roll along with the ball on top of this water. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे lounge beds होते थे. Of course they have removed it now because swimming is only closed because of COVID. वहाँ पे है बच्चों का पूल, एंड वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती थी, तो वो भी इस वक्त बंद है. I really hope this COVID just vanishes from this world so we can lead our normal regular lives. This is the garden area. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा बैडमिंटन मैचेस होते हैं. Last time when Kunal and I came, we played a lot of badminton here, and right there is the mountain climbing or the wall climbing. It is such a fun sport, and I didn't know that I would enjoy it so much. Last time Kunal and I tried climbing this wall. Of course he managed to climb, but I don't think I could even go beyond 2 rocks. So अभी तो ये सब उन लोग दोबारा से पेंट कर रहे हैं, and they've done this kind of barricading, so you really can't enter this area. A lot of areas in the property have been barricaded for safety reasons, and वो जो काला पैच पेंट हो रहा है वहाँ पे एक डार्ट बोर्ड जैसा होता था, and you know you could take your तीर कमान, your bow and arrow, and you could play bow and arrow right there. So I think they are repainting it. So what I think is that now during this time जब COVID पे सब कुछ shut है, they are just utilizing the time to renovate the property and paint it, do the things which were pending. और यहाँ पे कुणाल और मम्मी they are just chilling, gossiping about me only, I think. So lunch हमने कर लिया है, and believe you me, we were so hungry. इतनी भूख तो घर पे भी नहीं लगती है. I ordered my favorite butter chicken. जब कुछ समझ में ना आए तो butter chicken is the safest bet. Kunal ordered his vegetarian paneer, and the food is so yum. There are no two thoughts. The food of this place is really yummy. I couldn't even vlog at that time because हम इतने भूखे थे, and the food was just beyond yummy. So अब मैं थोड़ा टाइम इधर स्पेंड करती हूँ with my mom and Kunal, and I'm going to catch you in a bit.